Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super common and super annoying, a leaking kitchen tap. This little drip right here, it's wasting water, raising bills and driving people crazy. But don't worry, you don't need a plumber. You can fix it yourself for just a few bucks. Tools and parts needed: adjustable wrench, flathead screwdriver, replacement tap washer or cartridge, depends on your faucet type, plumber's grease, cloth or towel. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. First things first, shut off the water supply under your sink. There should be 2 valves, one for hot and one for cold. Turn both clockwise to close. Then open the tap to release any pressure left in the line. Step 2. Remove the handle. Now it's time to remove the tap handle. Depending on your model, there may be a small screw under a cap or on the side. Use your screwdriver or Allen key to take it off, then lift the handle. Step 3. Take out the cartridge or washer assembly. Use your wrench to loosen the valve nut or retaining nut. Once that's off, gently pull out the valve. This might be a cartridge or might be a washer-based spindle. Check what's inside. If it's a rubber washer and it's worn or cracked, that's your issue. If it's a cartridge, you might need to replace the whole thing. Step 4. Replace the washer or cartridge. Take your old part to the hardware store to get the right match, or buy a universal kitchen tap washer kit, or the correct replacement cartridge online. Before installing the new part, apply a bit of plumber's grease on the seals or washer. This helps everything move smoothly and last longer. Step 5. Reassemble the tap. Slide the washer or cartridge back in. Retighten the nut using your wrench, not too tight, just snug enough. Then reinstall the handle and tighten the screw back in. Snap on the decorative cap if your model has one. Step 6. Turn on the water and test it. Turn both water valves back on and open the tap. No more leak, no more drip, and you just saved yourself a plumbing bill. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more DIY fixes from the channel. Check the description for tools, parts, and extra tips. And let me know in the comments if you got any questions. I always reply. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.